Guys, this is 2015 Mercedes-Benz C200. So this car had a problem, is water is leaking underneath. So that one is the thermostat housing is cracked. So we're going to off the thermostat housing. We need to off this all the top parts to the access that thermostat housing. Off the battery first. See, off the bolt, one here, another one in there, another bolt in here for the intercooler, and you need to off this one. We're going to take it out. Okay, you can see here the inside, the one o-ring into there. So we need to off this part to the access for the inject manifold. So I need to off this clip, take it out, and all the bolts, manifold, this one. So we're going to off the manifold. Okay, here's the thermostat housing. So we have to off these clips in here. So we're going to take it out for the thermostat housing. Okay, here's the thermostat housing. So you can see the problem is this one, the spring take it out. There's a 2 bolt in there, it's holding the thermostat housing. It's broken here, and the spring take it out.
See in here.
Okay guys, here's the new part we order for that one. It's coming all the 2 pipe. They hold in 2 bolts. This is the old one. So we're going to install like this way. So we're going to install the manifold. So we're going to install the top mount. So after that, finally we're going to install the cooler. Okay guys, finally we start the car. Car is running fine. So no any coolant leaks. We drain the coolant. Okay, just close it. So all good. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.